Hello and welcome. I'm Master Lama Rasaji. This is the Tuesday edition of Rasaji Speaks. Let's look at our title today. The mind, our asset for connecting directly to God. The mind. Behind me is ruins of the ancient siddhas and Siddha Yoga's tradition. And some say that it dates back maybe 50,000 years ago. Some say 5,000. What we do know for sure, that one of the most earliest disciplines was going through the mala garlands, just like what we have in the store. These are one of my favorite pairs outside of the moonstone that I love to wear, which actually helps balance your endocrine gland system and the vortexes that we call chakras. One of my next favorite is the sandalwood with the lava beads. So you get strength and you get, we carry all of those in our store, which is really, really pretty cool. But that discipline of replacing a single thought for another single thought, or focusing from one to the other, is really important. I'm a person, let's say that I have some anxiety that's driven by my mortal issues or death urge issues. One of the greatest ways to offset that is affirm to yourself that you have plenty of time. So I would take the mala garlands and I would go, I have plenty of time. Next bead, and they go right through my fingers. I have plenty of time. Next bead. I have plenty of time. Next bead. And I would continue for the whole citation of the mala garlands, which would be 108 repetitions. Pretty powerful and profound. Over a period of weeks, you would start to notice an improvement in your mental focus, which is really powerful, because people who accomplish things in life, well, they accomplish it with a focused mind, and a mind doing things out of specific intention. That's one of the things that determines Kriya over karma yoga. So japa yoga, mantra yoga, was that connection that we could use this to facilitate. Well, I could choose to focus on with my mind what I want to. Imagine I'm going to focus on the divine, right? Well, ancient scriptures all over the world say that God is called to administer his glory to those who serve him and recite him. The pronunciation of his name, Abba, Jehovah, Yahweh, Brahm, Vishnu, Shiva, Shivaya, whatever you decide to call, he's committed to showing up. Did you know that? That's divine law. Heavenly Father designed that. So if I'm going to recite one of God's names, Om Namah Shiva, Om Namah Om Namah Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shiva. Om Namah Shivaya. With both citations, I am speaking to the feminine and masculine principle of the divine. That mantra, considered one of the oldest Sanskrit mantras, God's first language on the planet, stands for infinite intelligence, infinite being, and infinite manifestation. It's pretty profound when you think about it, right? Using your mind that the divine gave you to connect with the one who gave you that mind. Pretty profound when you think about it. Yes, my brothers and sisters. Baraka Bashai, may the blessings be to you and to your glorious family. Can't wait to see you tomorrow on Hump Day. God be with you always. Keep him as close to you as your heartbeat and as near to you as your breath. Love you much, my sisters and brothers.